If you have Vivo T4R 5G smartphone and you want to set your fingerprint lock, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, select security and privacy, select device unlocking, and then select fingerprint. Now firstly you have to set a screen lock, but if you have already done this then you can skip this part, otherwise select pattern, pin or password. I'm selecting pattern. Draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. It will ask you how you want to show your notification on your locked screen. I'm selecting never show. Click on done and then select start enrollment. Click on agree and then place your thumb or finger, whatever you want to add, on the sensor like this. Now keep on tapping on the sensor so that it can completely capture your fingerprint. Adjust the edges of your thumb like this. After this, click on done. Now you can easily unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint in Vivo T4R 5G smartphone.